Welcome to English Chats Daily.
Your daily partner for easy English conversations.
Hello, and welcome to English Chats Daily.
Hi, everyone. I'm George.
And I'm Eva. We are so happy you are here.
Yes, welcome. Today we have a new topic.
That's right. Today we will talk about feelings and emotions.
Feelings. It is an easy topic to learn, so do not worry.
Yes, this is for beginners. We will speak very slowly and clearly.
You can do it.
So, George, what are feelings?
Good question, Eva. Feelings are what we feel inside, like in our heart or in our head.
So, feelings can be good or feelings can be not so good.
Exactly. For example, happy is a good feeling.
Right. We have feelings every day, all day, at school, at work, at home.
Let's start with a nice feeling. The first word is happy.
Happy. Happy. Happy.
Happy is a very good feeling. You feel happy when you smile.
When you smile.
Let's give some examples. For example, I am happy today.
I am happy. That is a great sentence. Another example. Good food makes me happy.
Oh yes, good food makes me happy too. Okay, now it is your turn to practice. Listen and repeat.
I am happy.
Good. Now repeat this one.
Good food makes me happy.
Great job. Okay, our next word is tired.
Tired. Tired. Tired.
Yes, tired is how you feel when you need to sleep. You have no energy.
Right, you want to go to bed.
Exactly. Let's practice with some sentences. First sentence. I am tired.
A very useful sentence. Another example. I work a lot. I feel tired.
That makes sense. Okay, are you ready to repeat? Repeat after me. I am tired.
Very good. Now this one. I feel tired.
Wonderful. All right, the third word is nervous.
Nervous. Nervous. Nervous.
Nervous is a feeling you have before something important, like a test or a big meeting.
Right, you feel a little worried. Let's look at some examples. I have a test tomorrow. I feel nervous.
A very common feeling.
Another one. He is nervous before his interview.
Yes. Okay, let's practice speaking. Repeat this sentence. I feel nervous.
Good job.
And this one. He is nervous.
Perfect. Our last feeling for today is a fun one. The word is excited.
Excited. Excited. Excited.
Excited is a very happy feeling about the future.
Yes, when you are waiting for something good to happen, like a holiday or a party.
Exactly. For example, it is my birthday tomorrow. I am so excited.
What a great example. Or this one. We are excited for our trip to the beach.
Oh, I would be excited too. Okay, time to practice. Repeat after us. I am excited.
Well done.
And now, we are excited.
Fantastic.
Okay, let's move to our next feeling. This one is the opposite of happy. The word is sad.
Sad is how you feel when you are unhappy. Maybe you miss someone or something bad happens.
Yes. For example, I feel sad today. Or you can say, I am sad.
Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I feel sad. Or I am sad.
Very good. It's okay to feel sad sometimes. Everyone feels sad.
That's right. Feelings change and that is normal.
Now, let's learn how to ask about feelings. This is very important for conversation.
Yes, it is. A very common question is, how do you feel today?
Let's practice saying that. Repeat. How do you feel today?
Good. And you can answer, I feel happy, or I feel tired.
Right. Another good question is, why do you feel tired? Let's repeat that. Why do you feel tired?
Great. You can answer, because I worked a lot.
Okay, one more question style. Are you nervous?
Repeat. Are you nervous?
And you can say, yes, I am, or no, I am not. Are you excited is the same.
Yes. Let's talk about when we have these feelings in daily life.
Good idea. For example, many people feel tired after work or after school.
That's right. What about nervous?
People feel nervous before a test or before a job interview.
That is very true. And what about excited, Eva?
Oh, I feel excited about the weekend, no work. Or I feel excited about a holiday.
Me too. A trip is a great reason to feel excited.
Okay, George, let's have a small conversation.
I love this part. Hi, Eva. How do you feel today?
Hi, George. I feel happy today. The sun is shining. How about you?
I feel good, but I am a little tired.
Oh no, why do you feel tired?
I worked late last night.
Ah, that makes sense. Well, I have good news. Tomorrow is a holiday.
A holiday? That is fantastic news. Now I am excited.
Me too. I am very excited for the holiday.
Okay, now it is your turn to talk to us.
Yes, we will ask you some questions. Please answer out loud. Don't be shy. Ready? First question. How do you feel today?
We will wait for your answer.
Great. Thank you for sharing.
Okay, next question. Are you excited for the weekend? Tell us.
Awesome. We hope you are.
Okay, let's do a very quick review.
Good idea. Let's remember the words. First word, a good feeling when you smile.
Happy.
Next word, you need to sleep.
Tired.
The feeling before a big test.
Nervous.
And the feeling about a fun holiday tomorrow.
Excited.
And the important question to ask a friend.
How do you feel today?
You did a great job today.
Yes, amazing work, everyone. Thank you for listening to English Chats Daily.
Learning a new language takes time, so it's okay to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning.
That's right. Just keep practicing. Try to tell someone how you feel today. Use your new English words.
You can say, I feel happy or I feel tired. We hope you learned a lot today.
Join us next time for another English chat. Until then, take care and goodbye.
Bye for now.